In summary, ineffective supervisor-employee workplace relationships can cause workplace violence, workplace bullying, a hostile work environment, and relationship conflicts on the job, which are all costly and can become detrimental to the business. Your business needs high quality supervisor employee workplace relationships to overcome the before mentioned challenges. You see, high quality supervisor employee workplace relationships have a positive correlation to employee job satisfaction. This ultimately impacts the business's bottom line productivity. Employees who are involved in effective supervisor employee workplace relationships are more likely to be satisfied with their job, which will increase their business's productivity and business profits. The bigger problem is that in the past, businesses have depended on improving supervisor employee relationships by one, reorganizing the company's structure, or receiving tips from various authors, or even following specified guidelines, or just reading and absorbing information. Some companies have focused only on communication. They believe that an employee cannot be successful on the job without knowing their job, or where to get tools or supplies, and receiving feedback on performance, or ensuring that the communication process begins when the employee starts a position. Businesses have also attempted to improve the supervisor employee workplace relationships by using self assessments, counseling, and follow up memos. While these strategies have benefits, it is not enough. It is not enough because information alone will not create the desired results. The B.O.S.S Leadership Training Program will transform your culture into one that has exemplary supervisor employee workplace relationships. The B.O.S.S Leadership Training Program uses a self organizing system with three major components. The first step is to conduct a bounded organizational systems analysis. The second phase is to formulate a shared vision with a team of employees within the company. Finally, we implement the process which results in improved supervisor employee workplace relationships. As we stated before, the B.O.S.S in B.O.S.S Leadership Training Program stands for Bounded Organizational Systems Analysis Shared Vision Development that utilizes self-knowledge change process. Now, the successful use of self-organizing systems is not new. Lee Iacocca used a self-organizing system with the Ford Motor Company. American Express Financial Systems used self-organizing systems to remain ahead of the competition. Southwest Airlines has also successfully used self-organizing systems. So the real question is, why must we use self-organizing systems? We have three major challenges when it comes to cultural conflicts in the workplace. The first is the power struggle that ensues between supervisors and employees. The second is what process will overcome the defensive routines that employees use when faced with supervisor challenges. The third is the challenges that unions can provide for businesses. This also results in defensive routines, blaming, accentuating the negative, and an assortment of behaviors that are detrimental to the organization. We begin the bounded organizational analysis by conducting interviews and a systems thinking evaluation. We interview supervisors and employees. We also evaluate to determine patterns and trends. And from that, we develop a systemic structure and developmental models. Next, we identify a chosen group of employees who work together to develop a shared vision. We provide them with the bounded organizational analysis, and in turn, they develop strategies that effectively promote positive supervisor-employee workplace relationships. I have told you about the revolutionary B.O.S.S leadership training program. It can provide benefits for any business or organization. You can contact us at 856-566-3267 for more information, or visit our website at www.dlconsultantgroup.com. You can also email us at info@dlconsultinggroup.com.